Hi everyone, welcome to NDVA educational YouTube channel. Today our Python program was find the runner-up score. In this program, first I will read the requirement. After that I will develop code for this requirement. Coming to this program, given the participant score sheet for your university sports day, you are required to find the runner-up score. You are given n scores, store them in a list and find the scores of the runner-up. So here it clearly mentions we have a scores in the sheet of our university sports day vacation. So in that sports sheet we need to find the runner-up score, which means second highest score in the sheet we need to find. So here they mentions 1 point, store them in a list and find the score of the runner-up. So all scores we need to store in a list format and then we need to find out the runner-up score. So coming to the down, we can able to see the sample input and the sample output, right? Here clearly mentioned how we need to take sample input and how we need to print our output. So coming this first line suggest input format. The first line contains n, the second line contains an array A of an integer each separated by space. So in this way we need to provide our input. So this first line basically it means number of scores and second line means the scores. So the number of scores are present in the second line. First one is 2, 3, 6, 6, 5. Here in this course we need to find second highest, which means runner-up score. Here 5 is the second highest, right? So runner-up, right? So we are printing 5. In this way we need to develop our code. So according to this I will write my code. First I will read this number of scores. So n equal to int input of, this is for first line, and coming to this second line I will take this line here, scores equal to list of map of int comma input of dot split of. Here I will explain why I am taking map and a split like this. So we need to store our scores in the list, right? So I will take this list. Why I am using this map function was, these are all are the integers, right? So we did, instead of writing like this we directly write int is the mapping thing here. So in the map function we are mapping this data type to whatever we provided in the input function. So every input we are considering as a input integer. This for this we are using map function, and split function why we are using here. Input format clearly mentions each contains a of n integer, each separated by a space. Suppose we want to space separated values, we need to use a split function. We are giving the input like 2 space 3 space like this, right? Whenever we are using split function then only it will be like this, space between the integers. So coming to the next line, so I will provide the explanation here. I will take example thing. So 5 is the number of scores, second line 2, 3, 6, 6, 5. In this I need to find the second highest 5. So here we simply find out which is the second highest, but we have lot of scores. That time we may unable to find the second highest score. So for this we have a logic to find out second highest number. Coming to the third line, first I will sort these numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 6, 6. In this way I will sort this order. In second line I will remove duplicates here. 2, 3, 5, 6. If if 6 present in a lot of time, that is no use in our code, because if I remove duplicates, I simply find out second is the from the last in the list, second one is the second highest score. In this way I will find. If I didn't remove any duplicate, I am unable to find. If suppose 6 will be present in 10 times, so we are unable to point out the second highest score. While removing the duplicates, we can easily find second is the second highest, third is the third highest. In this way we can find. So for that I will use the set function. While using set function, it removes the duplicates. It removes the duplicates. So this will be like, this list will be like this. And coming to the second line, I will use another variable, result equal to sorted of. So I will apply in sort function here, sorted of. I need to apply this variable. This is the this result stored in scores variable, right? So this scores variable I will apply the sorted function. So please remember variable concept. So we are applying our code to variable like in this way. So scores, here scores is like this. Here above I didn't sort, right? So actually scores like 3, not here, in the first line itself, 2, 3, 6, 5. In this way, in this line result stored. This line I will change it to sort. After sort it will be become 2, 3, 5, 6. It will be become 2, 3, 5, 6 in ascending order. After that I will print. So here only I will write -2. -2 means second one. -1 means last, from the last of the list to first one. Suppose if I take 1 means this one. Like this please go through the W3 schools by knowing the how to take positions in the list, so that you can easily understand. So if I mention -2, this indicates from the list we need to take second one from the last. So I simply print above variable. So this variable I will print this variable present second one of the last list. So this runner-up score will be print. So I will try to execute this. I will remove this explanation. First I will run this code. So in this way, here they mention only one sample test cases. They take 5 as number of scores, and those scores are this, and 5 is the second highest as we know in the scores. So 5 will be our output. So I will submit this code. So here we have lot of test cases, around 9 test cases are there. So I will randomly unlock one test case. Here number of scores will be 4. The scores are 1, -1, -2, -1. In these scores, what will be our runner-up score? So here simply shows -1 is the second runner-up score or second highest score here. So it will return -1. So in this way, Hackerrank test our code multiple ways as predefined some test cases like this. So I hope all you are understand. If any doubts, please ping in comment section related to program. Thank you everyone, and thanks for support.